Hello everybody and welcome to today's live here at Magic Hair Company. We are your Glueless lace wig store located in Culver City, California, USA. We have hundreds of Glueless lace wigs here in store. I am about to put on wig number 617. So this is actually our first live on TikTok, so I don't know what I'm doing, but I can see your comments below. Hi everybody. So the wig that I'm putting on is wig number 617. If you are new to shopping with us, all of our wigs are available at magichaircompany.com, and all of our wigs have a 3-digit unit number. So this is wig number 617. You can use our search feature on our website, and all of the details on this beautiful wig right here will come up. We have 100% human hair wigs. We're located in Culver City, California. Our website is magichaircompany.com, and we have premium lace wigs. We do custom coloring here in store, and our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com or here in our Culver City store. We are currently open here Monday through Saturday from 10:30 to 6 p.m. Can I try this wig on or no? Okay, we're currently open from 10:30 to 7 p.m. Hi. So if you, Tati, can you do this thing? Tati, can you do this thing over? Switch my wig, so kind of let me know what you guys are looking for. Again, this is our first live here. Like the people. What's your location? We are, thank you. We're located in Culver City, California. Our address is 8638 Washington Blvd, Culver City, California. This is just an example of some of our custom color. All of our wigs are glueless. This is the inside cap construction here, and all of our wigs do have our Magic Hair Company logo in the back here. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you for all of the comments. Again, our wigs are only available on our website, magichaircompany.com. We have hundreds of lace wigs available here in store. So if you're looking for premium quality wigs that will last you for years to come, you can walk into our store. You can have a one-on-one consultation where we talk about color. You can try on some different wigs, see some different lengths that you look good in. You guys know I love red hair. Look at this. Cute. All of our wigs are free parting. You can change the part in all of our wigs.
What's the address?
Our address is 8638 Washington Boulevard, Culver City, California. Click the link in the bio, like, comment, subscribe, share our page with other people. Let everybody know that we're here. This is a 14-inch kinky curly, or is it 16?
There's a 14. This
is a 14-inch kinky curly, and you can easily hydrate any of our curly, wavy hair with our hydrating curl definer that we have pre-mixed here with some water. So yesterday I hydrated this wig right here. If you like this wig, this is a 20-inch deep body wave. Her wig number is wig number 425. So again, if you're new to our channel, go to magichaircompany.com and you can put in the search wig 425, which is this wig number, and you will get all of the details.
Hello, ladies.
Hi.
How you doing?
Hello.
I'm good. I got a Instagram.
Yes, that's us. Come on in.
What party textures do you have?
We have deep body wave, which is this texture here. This is our most popular texture here, deep body wave. This is what our deep body wave looks like, all fluffed out. You can brush it out here. And if you want easy, high quality, good curly hair, shop with us. Look how I brush my fingers through this dry curly hair here, and I don't get any strands of hair. Look at this right here. This is quality curly hair, ladies and gentlemen. So if you want quality curly hair, you can wear this brushed out like this. Come on in, it's okay, Come on in. Thank you very much.
No problem.
So this is the deep body wave here, brushed out. And this is the deep body wave, freshly hydrated yesterday with our curl definer. So I'm going to go back and wet this half, and you can see it dry. But this shows you the different ways you can wear the deep body wig, which is here. I have the kinky curly. We also have body wig. We have regular curly. We have silky straight, kinky straight. You name it, we have it here at Magic Hair Company. Thank you very much.
All right, no problem, no problem.
Thank you.
Wait. Man, this is amazing. I came in the store. My fiance, she buys nothing but this hair.
Okay, let me give you my card.
Yeah, please.
Bring her in. We are Magic Hair Company. We're a custom glueless lace wig store.
Okay.
We do custom coloring here in store. Send her in. Definitely. We have the best quality available. I got it. Here's our card. I have that sweater. I got it. Pull out it.
Yeah, see, this is her right here.
Oh, she's beautiful.
Yeah, she dressed up like JT for Halloween.
Okay, that's cute. That's cute.
City girl.
Okay,
So they
sure.
buy hair all the time.
Yeah. Okay, send her in here.
So yeah, I'm
Yeah, send her in. Send her in. I'm the owner, so we're definitely a black-owned hair company.
Oh yeah, we're gonna support.
Send her in here. I appreciate
That's
it.
why I'm out here working.
Yeah,
So
I got you. Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, you guys have a good one.
You
close the
too.
door?
Yeah, close it.
All right, y'all have a good one.
Thank you.
What texture are you wearing?
I am wearing kinky curly, and yes, we did custom color this in store. It started out this color, and we colored it here in store because that's what we do. So again, if you guys are looking for quality wigs, you're looking for hair that will last you. This is not throwaway hair. Like, this hair is going to last you for years and years to come. A lot of my clients come in, they have that cheap beauty supply hair that they've paid hundreds of dollars for, and it only lasts them a couple of months. Stop wasting your money on cheap throwaway hair. Stop stressing out your edges and your hairline with those too tight weaves and braids. Come get a wig from Magic Hair Company. Not only will it last you longer, it's 100% natural hair. We can custom color it for you. We do not charge additional to style your wig for you. So if you want us to cut some bangs or some layers, we will gladly do that for you.
Do you have layaway?
Do we have layaway? We do have in-store layaway, yes, and we have quad pay available on our website. So absolutely, ladies, we will definitely take care of all those financing options. And if you shop with us in store, yes, you can break your payment up on multiple cards. People ask us that all the time. Absolutely, we absolutely.
Are you having a Black Friday sale?
We are having a Black Friday blowout sale. Our doors will open here in store. Hi, you can come in and take pictures.
I just called her and she on the phone.
Hi. Hi. We hear you like wigs and extensions. We are the wig store.
Oh yeah, baby, you'll love it.
We do custom color. Our wigs are glueless. I need a brush.
So you got HD lace?
Yes, we do. Oh. We have HD lace. We have transparent lace. We color lace.
Oh yeah, I have to come down here.
Mm-hmm.
The photo do no stress.
No, I don't. She headed to the mall, so you already know.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
All right.
You need me to put anything in the fridge?
Yes, there's like 2 items that need to go in the freezer that I'm going to take home with me. So I'm about to wrap up this video here. I just wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like wet. You can definitely maintain it very easy. The hair is going to last you. As you see with me running my fingers through the hair, that this is quality hair that's going to last you. You want easy to maintain curly hair. If you want to shop in store at a wig company, if you are looking for awesome customer service and hair that's going to last you and look natural and beautiful, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. We are located here in Culver City, California. We are your custom glueless lace wig specialist. Tell a friend about us. As you see from the gentleman that was just passing by, you know, as soon as people see that we're here, they want to come in and they say, why didn't I know about you sooner? Because not only are we just a wig store, we sell quality wigs that will last you. My wigs don't excessively tangle, they don't shed. We do custom color hair, you name it, we got you. So if you're suffering from hair loss or if you just want a new look, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. Our wigs can only be found at magichaircompany.com or here in our Culver City store. Thank you guys for watching. This is my first and hopefully not only TikTok live. I will definitely repost this on our other social media channels. So like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend about Magic Hair Company, where we are changing lives one custom wig at a time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. I don't know how this works either. We can't figure out how to stop the video.